Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining Agile methodology, what it really means, why it became so popular, and how it's transforming the way we work in IT projects. Whether you're a beginner, a business analyst, or someone curious about how modern teams deliver faster and smarter, this video is for you. So let's begin. So why Agile? So let's just have a quick look at the waterfall model that used to be used earlier before Agile. So before Agile, most organizations use the waterfall model. The waterfall model follows a linear sequence where one phase must be completed before the next begins. Typically, it goes like the first are the requirements, then the design, the development, then comes the testing, then the deployment and the maintenance. It's very structured and it works fine for projects where everything is clear from the start, like construction or manufacturing. But in IT, clients' needs often changes, technologies evolve, and new ideas come up mid-project. The problem with waterfall is that once you move ahead, you it's hard to go back and make the changes. This rigidity led to delays, cost overruns, and unsatisfied clients, and that's exactly where Agile came in. So, Agile was introduced to solve the limitations of the waterfall model. Instead of doing everything in one big sequence, Agile breaks work into small manageable parts called iterations or sprints. It focuses on delivering a working product quickly, getting customer feedback early, and making improvements continuously. Agile isn't about rushing, it's about being adaptive. It helps teams respond to change quickly instead of sticking to rigid plans. So, what exactly is Agile? Agile is a mindset, a way of thinking about how we approach the work. Imagine instead of spending 6 months building an app and showing it to your client only at the end, and if they are not happy with it, you should in that's like kind of in the waterfall model, but in Agile you will like show them a small working version every 2 weeks, so they can give us any improvement or the feedback, or if they want this product for the complete evolution, or if they want to make any changes, so then we can adapt to it and we can make those. Okay, so that's Agile. Build fast, learn fast, and adapt fast. In 2001, 17 software experts came together and created what's known as Agile Manifesto. It outlines 4 key values that define the Agile mindsets: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, because communication matters more than the documentation. Second, it's working software over documentation. The goal is to deliver real result, not just a paperwork. Third is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Stay connected with your client throughout the process. Responding to change over following a rigid plan, because change is inevitable in any project. This value shifted the focus from process heavy management to people driven collaboration. Key principles behind Agile. The Agile Manifesto also defines 12 principles, but let's focus on most the important ones. First is like deliver working software early and frequently. Welcoming changing requirements even late in development. So if your client requires some changes into the software or the project that you're developing, it should be welcome and it should be made. Work closely with customers and stakeholders. That means like have a word with them, understand their requirement, if there are any changes or any uh, requirements that has been changed, that you can adapt it into your current project. Build projects around motivated teams and trust them to get the job done. Reflect regularly and improve after each iteration. This principle makes agile teams fast, flexible, and customer focused. Agile framework. Isn't a single method, it's a family of frameworks that follow agile values. The most common ones are Scrum, which focuses on time box sprints and clear rules. Kanban, which focuses on visualizing work and limiting tasks in progress. Lean, which focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing the value. XP, that is extreme programming, which focuses on quality through coding practices. Each of these frameworks uses agile principles, they just implement them in different ways. We'll learn about this each every principle in our coming videos. So let's see an example. Let's take the most popular framework, that's the Scrum. In Scrum, the project is divided into sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks long. Each sprint has clear goals and deliver a working product at the end. The product owner represents the customer and prioritizes what needs to be done. The Scrum Master ensures the team follows agile practices and removes the roadblocks. The development team builds and tests the product. Every day, the team meets for a quick 15 minutes meeting called the daily scrum to stay aligned. After each sprint, they review and improve. This keeps the team focused, flexible, and accountable. So, business analyst in Agile. Now, where does the business analyst fit into Agile? In Agile, the business analyst plays a crucial role as a bridge between the business and the technical teams. We gather and refine requirements in the form of user stories, short, simple descriptions of a feature from the user perspective. We clarify the doubts, define acceptance criteria, and ensures that what's being built aligns with business goal. A good business analyst helps the team focus on delivering value in every sprint, not just completing the task. So, why do companies prefer Agile today? Because it delivers results faster, adapts to changes easily, and keeps customers happier. Teams can test ideas early, reduce product risk, and continuously improve. That's why most IT companies, including giants like Microsoft, Google, and even Persistent Systems, have embraced Agile as their standard development model. Sorry for that. Final thoughts. To wrap up, Agile isn't just a process, it's a mindset about how we work together. It's about communication, adaptability, and delivering the values. If you're a business analyst aspiring to become one, mastering Agile is essential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to have like more videos. Come back and learn up more videos about the Agile methodology. Thanks for watching this video.